and stolen. And the pass. And behind the back is spot. Oh! Basket and one! Ayan, stops and pass it to the wings. Drives, binitbit. Oh, akala ko tangka. Oh, basket and one! Now dribbling. Attacking the reverse layup to high. Whoa! Dambo! Further action here. Ball possession for Kabayan. Kaya attack si Liz. Yes, sir. That's good for two. Welcome to Congressional Intertown National Cup Benguet. Basketball for Violet team. Pass it to the middle. Number 14 kicks out. Launches on 3. Bang! And here's Timmy Togon. Number 31 to the wings area. Pass to the baseline. Kicks out. Corner 3. Bang! The answer! Timmy Togon. Number 31 at the top. Inside pass. Big sparks and catch. Yes, sir! It's Kabayan basketball. Number 23 dribbling at the top. And now looking for the receiver. Inside pass. Sakto yung pasa. Sakto yung tira. And it's a man. And here's Team Kabayan. Pinasa. And kicks out. Attacks and the floor of the window. Yes, sir. And now here's Team Itogon. Stop pull-up jumper. Bullseye. Here's Team Itogon. Now dribbling. Attacking the reverse layup to high. Whoa! Dambo! Team Itogon basketball. Dribbling goes out. Down to 8 seconds. Pull-up jumper of the window. Bucket of 2. And here, the agawan muli. Agaw to agaw. 3-on-1 na. Pinasa. The fire. Basket and one. And number 31 to the left wings corner. Dribble and kicks out. Cross pass. Number 31 drives to the middle and pull up J. The nets. And here's Team Kabayan. The pass to the wings area. Baseline. Inside pass. And stolen. And the pass. And behind the back is spot. Oh! Basket and one. What a... And now dribbling. Number 23 at the top between the legs. Spinning. Pass to the wings. Inside pass. Pull up jumper short. Rebound Ganilo. The pass. Caballero. Stops. Fade away. Bullseye. Another two. And here you go. Bounce pass for Team Kabayan. To the wings. Stop pull-up jumper and no good. Rebound by Caballero. Caballero no look pass. Open look, he fires. Bang! What a shot! And here's Team Kabayan. Pass to the wings. Bump. Crossover. Corner. Pull up J long to. Boo! Pasok, pasok. Sumabot. To the middle. Side step. Fade away. No good. And naagaw. And straight to the hoops. Yes, sir. Bucket is good. Ganilo. And crosses over. Between the legs. Attacking. Sa gitna. Pull up Jair. No good. And the pass. Here is Ganilo. And the pass. He fires. Bang! 3 points. And here's Team Kabayan, the pass, the attacks, the release, yes sir! And fakes clutch, oh! Dalawa pa yung sumabay! And number 23 at the top, dribbling. Drives, kicks out, open, he pass, and fires a 3, bang! Nothing but net! That's the end of the... And second quarter action here, ball possession for Kabayan. Kaya attack si Liz. Yes sir, that's good for 2. And here's Team Kabayan basketball. And attacks the pass. Pull up jumper, won't go. The tips in of the window. Money for the inbound. And the pass, pull up jumper, bullseye. And here's number 13 for Team Kabayan. He stops and pass it to the wings. Drives, binit-bit. Oh, akala ko tangka. Oh, basket and one. Down to 1 point lead. The crossover, the attacks, pull-up jumper. Won't go. Rebound, stops, inasinta sa tres. Bang! The second chance! And the long pass. And the diskarte. Bump. And stop spin. And the pass creates space and far short. Rebound, follow-up shot. And the money. And his team, Kabayan Basketball. The pass to the corner. Pull-up jumper, baseline, bullseye. And corner for three. Won't go. And here's number 6. Straight to the hoops again. Bucket is good. Successful. And now inherit the pass. And side step the extra pass. The lace. And yes, sir. And the pass. And the pass again. And the lace. And yes, sir, again. And here's Team Itogo on the pass. His attacks. Crossover. Reverse layup short. And ball is and recover and is stolen and pinabitin. No, rebound put back, follow up shot is good. And his Team Kabayan, number 17, dribbling, goes to the screen, attack, stolen, pass break, and 3-point lead. And dribbling the ball for Team Kabayan. Drives to the middle, pull-up jumper, down to 1-point lead. Piero, pass to Ganilo, corner pass, left alone for 3, no good. And rebound the pass, and for the lead, yes sir! Up by 45-44. And stops, crossover, the pass, and dribble, corner for 3. Bang! 3-point! The pass open, looking fast. Bang! 3-point! The end of... And here's Team Itogon bump. Step back. Pass to the middle. Dalawa yung naisa. Big splash kayo! That is smooth mo. Rebound dito para sa Team Kabayan. And the pass. Pull-up jumper. No good. And he gets his own rebound. He fakes. Kicks it out. And the pass, pull-up jumper, na good, same spot pa rin din, buti na lang, the savior. And the bump. And here's Caballero. The pass. Stops and pass to the middle, pull-up J, off the window, ooh, the lucky bounce. And pass back, Lisa, too high. And pass. And here's bump and pass. And extra pass, the lace. What a communication. And stop for 3. No good. Rebound for Team Kabayan. And here's space again. Short. Rebound, put back. Wala. Fix. Dalawa yung sumabay na fake. And the finish. And no look pass. Ang gandang pasa. Nakitang-kita. And here's Villanueva. The pass for 3. Bang! Nothing but net. For the inbound, the pass. Sa gitna, pull-up jumper. No. And behind the back. And attacks to the hoops. No hesitation. And yes, it's in. Baseball pass. Caballero. You Pinoy step the pass. Lace. And that's good connection. And spins, stops, and pass to the wings area, inside pass, tinapikan, stolen, and recover, another pass to the middle, and another recover, pull-up jumper, bullseye! That's the end, and dribbling, the pass, high pass, and corner open, look, fires at 3, short, rebound pa rin para dun, libre, picks, patch, 5, no good, rebound. Mapupunta dito sa Kabayan, the pass, and all alone, straight to the hoops, easy 2. Point lead for Team Itogon. And the pass, wings, dribble, goes to the middle, and Coens inside, picks 5, bullseye, back to Team Itogon. Here's Caballeros. Pupunas ng sapatos. Attacking. Pass. Stops for 3. Bang! Nothing but Team Kabayan na. Uy, nilusutan yung dalawa. And now inside. And 5. Basket and 1. Caballero. Sharing the play. Doon ka, Sisinyas. Caballero at the top. Caballero stops the pass, the 3. Bang! Back to back 3. And stolen into the middle. Pull up jumper, the free throw. Bullseye! And here you go. Team Itogon dribbling at the top, the bounce pass. Attacking the defense, the side step, the floater. Yes, sir! And pass. Stops. And hook pass. Picks. And drives beneath bit. And no good short. And ball possession for Team Itogon. Uy! The ball. Dribble. Zigzag. And the pass. Attacks. Kicks out. To the wings. Left alone. For 3. Bang! 3-point. And the pass. And here's for 3. Wings area. Bang! 3-point. And dribbling the ball. Natapikan. And stolen. And the pass. Caballero beneath Betis. Ito. And dribbling. Goes to the middle. The side step. The pass. Baseline. Kicks out. And drives to the hoops. Won't go. Oh, it's in. And nagpakahawa. And dribbling. Attacking. The side step. The fire of the window. Money. And the pass. And attacks. Inside pass. Floater. No good. Poor follow-up shot. Yes, sir. Congratulations, Team Itogon.